Good morning. I am Ravilla Kartheek. I am from Siddharth Institute of Engineering and Technology from stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering at percentage of 65. After completion of my graduation, I came to Bangalore. I joined Pyspiders Institute and I joined Python and SQL. For Python for Akshay sir and SQL for Rohan sir. Both of way of teaching is very nice, and they conducting mock exams also, and they conducting grooming sessions also. It will very helpful for me and crack for the interview because I have poor communication. So I give so many mock exams, I attend so many grooming classes, so I improve my communication. And our HR team, our Pyspiders HR team will also support it for me, and they'll give lot of requirements for me. And finally, I got placed for best MNC company, and I should tell thanks for Pyspiders team, HR team also.